Well, as I mentioned in my last video, I was going to make my pantry shelves pull out. So for my next project, I'm going to make all these shelves pull out. We have 5 in here. So based on what I learned on the previous 2 shelves, these should go pretty easy. And I have. So let's see how these all came together. What we'll do first though is start with the spacers that I needed to space the drawers out away from the door hinges because of the face frame. And here's where the 2 dados that I cut in the spacers for the right side come in handy. They'll go right around these shelf brackets. So now my spacer will fit flush to the wall. And the same for the left side. Spacers that'll go around the shelf bracket. For the next spacers, I just used the shelf brackets to hold the spacers while the glue dried. And I'm making my sides 22.5 inches. And I decided to put a slight round over on the tops of all 4 sides. Easier to handle. Next up, I'm going to cut a dado around the bottom, 1/4 from the bottom, to receive my bottom tray. And to connect the sides in the front, I opt to use a dado joint. Well, we're ready to glue up one side and the front. sure the bottom grooves are aligned, all right. Oh, they are. Oh, let's assemble the bottom. And I'm just putting on some shellac. Now we just need to put on the drawer portion of the slide. And now we'll just slide the drawer in. Well, there you have it. Nice, easy pull-out shelves now. Very simple to put together. So thanks for watching. I'll see you on my next video.